What's up guys, NJ Power here, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of Battle of Yorktown by Phantom Fireworks. This was picked up almost a year ago. I don't remember what the price was at the time, but we all know that Phantom brand loves to surge those prices up there, so I wouldn't be surprised if this cost me $100 or more. And it was only one, there was no buy one get one free deal or anything, so only this one. So alright, starting in no particular order here. A 6-pack of 8-ball Roman candles, and obviously this is all Phantom, so I'm not going to have to yell out Phantom 100 times. Get some firecrackers here. This looks like a 200 strip wolf pack. Alright, what are these? Single day parachutes. I have 2 of them here. Don't know if there's going to be more, but those are pretty cool. Right. Assorted crackling fountains. 4 pieces. Number 1 fountains. 6 pieces. Okay. Very cool. Wrath of the Hydra fountain. Alrighty. We got a Happy Planets, 36 shots. Everyone knows what they do. Toot and Twirl, 7 shots. We have the Galaxy set, 7 assorted floral shells. You see me do these plenty of times. Alright, another Copperhead mini shell kit. Got so many of these. Pretty cool, always nice to have more. Fiery Cloud. This I know is a hybrid. Very cool. Pack of baby sunflowers. I do these almost every video. Alright, assorted rockets. I've done these before. And we have bombing planes by Phantom. Nice. 25 shot Saturn battery. Got some random jumping jacks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs. We got some ground bloom flowers, 6-pack. A few tanks. Always fun to have tanks. 2 of them with report. We got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs of Morning Glories in here. Go with those. 1, 2, 3 packs of Wolfpack bottle rockets. These are the, I think there's 2 packs of these, yeah. Wolfpack, Howling Wolfpack rockets. 2 of these, 12 in each one. Some punks. Alright, now these things. So we got, what, 5 of these. They're not crackling salutes. I'm not sure. I'll have to look at the back of the box to see what this is. Alright, these 5 are M98s. I know that. This one's missing a top. It's not even in the box. And these are something else, and they're missing the bottoms. I don't want to spill anything. But we're all curious here. So there was 5 of them. Silver Salute crackers. Alright, that was those. And 5 M98s. I'm trying to see what those others are. There was 3 of them. Oh, it's right above it. Silver crackle crackers. Oh my. Alright. Battle of Yorktown, probably over $100. Depending on what kind of fireworks you like. This could be cool for you. This could be just a waste of money. You know, some people just like to go there and get, you know, big booms. You know, they just want the big stuff that goes in the air. And when it comes to quality stuff in the air, this is the best thing you're really getting is the mini copperheads. I mean, I love, not like love all fireworks, so all this stuff is cool for me. It just adds to the huge collection I have that'll never run out. So, thanks for watching.